This movie took me by surprise. I have enjoyed most of the films that have come out of Angel Studios, so maybe I shouldn't be surprised. But there's just something about the plot synopsis of this movie that just struck me a little bit more as a very powerful church Sunday morning testimony rather than a work of gripping cinematic storytelling. But I think the real life events of the Possum Trot community are an incredible story that is worth telling. And in The Sound of Hope, it is a story that is well told. I think, hey, someone that reviews a lot of movies, there are plenty of movies that entertain us. I think there are many that even stir us emotionally, but I think it is a rare and beautiful thing when a cinematic experience genuinely feels like it changes you. And I do think The Sound of Hope may well be one of those special films.